Hi friends, here's a little video about how to submit an assignment to Canvas when your work is split across multiple files. So here I am on Canvas. I'm on the assignment page where I'm going to make my submissions. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit assignment. I've got my assignment split up into page1.pdf and page2.pdf. So here I am, I need to upload one of those files. I hit choose file. I select page1.pdf, I hit open. Cool, it goes, and it's ready to be submitted. Here is the thing you're going to be tempted to do that you shouldn't do. You're going to be tempted to hit submit assignment right now. If you do that, it will split your submission into two different submissions and you won't be able to see feedback on the first one. Here's what you should do instead. You should hit the add another file button and then you can submit your second page. Now you have both pages that bundled together into one submission. Now you can go ahead and hit submit assignment and all will be well.